So for this video, you will see our team do a teardown of our Boxwood greenery with an acrylic sign and a floral runner on top, which is what we are removing first. And then before removing the boxwood, you just want to make sure there are no zip ties attached to the upright poles so that you can safely remove it. And now that the boxwood is detached, you would just want to cut off the zip ties that is on the crossbar. And then after removing the pole, you would just want to fold the greenery so that it's easier for you to roll in tighter spaces. Next would be to wrap the boxwood with a cling wrap after it's been rolled so that it's easier to transport. This method is best used when you are working on your own so that it's easier for you to roll the boxwood. After, we would just fold it to make it more compact and then make sure that the black backdrop is also folded. And then after, you would just have to collect the rest of the items and also wrap the flower runner that was on top of the boxwood so that they're all ready for load-in.